What are you getting at the stool? Want the rest of your sandwich? Is that good? What do you think? Is that the best sandwich? I love your bunny ears. Did you say thank you, Grammy? Say thanks, Grammy. Go easy. Oh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're a big helper.
Shelby's coming too.
What, honey?
Shelby go?
Shelby's, I think Shelby went upstairs. Where is she? Come here. Come here. Where did you go?